described as the ability to adapt to a new situation. Can also be used as general cognitive ability or aggregate capacity. Steinberg is noted for his contribution to the understanding of intelligence, possibly related to his hierarchic theory, which include analytical, creative, and practical intelligence. Now, what are the type of intelligence? Basically, we learn the four type, five type of intelligence, and the order is from the intelligence, general intelligence, and social intelligence, and various. So, we first learn the cultural intelligence. A multifaceted construct encompasses four things. First, motivation CQ, motivational cultural constant, which reflect an individual's intrinsic and extrinsic interest in culturally diverse situations. Then second one is cognitive question or cognitive CQ knowledge. It's referred to knowledge about cultures and cultural differences and cultural similarities. Third is metacognitive CQ, means CQ strategy. So involve the mental strategies individual use to acquire and understand the cultural knowledge. Fourth one is behavioral CQ or CQ action is the capacity to exhibit appropriate verbal, non-verbal action in intercultural interactions. CQ is posited to be important in constant involving diversity, ethical consideration, organizational norm, and administrative functions. Then second type of intelligence is spiritual intelligence, proposed by Dana Johar and Ivan Marshall. SQ explore the individual's capacity for meaning making and connection to transcendent aspect of life. It involves understanding one's existential purpose. Why are we here? And often intersect with soul and atma. The key dimension include having socially relevant purpose, self-awareness, high degree of conscience, compassion, commitment to human value. SQ can be conceptualized as addressing the question of self-identity. What am I? Third one is emotional quotient, EQ, concept by Sellowy and Mayer and popularized by Daniel Goleman. EQ refers to ability to perceive, understand, and manage and utilize emotions. It comprises interpersonal components such as self-awareness, understanding one's own emotion. Self-management means regulate one's emotion. Self-motivation, driving oneself toward goals. Self-esteem, sense of self-worth. EQ also include interpersonal components such as social awareness, understanding of emotions, social management, managing relationship, social management, influencing other, empathy, understanding and sharing feeling of others. EQ relates to the experience of affect what I feel. The fourth one is cognitive intelligence, traditionally assessed using the intelligence question or IQ, which is calculated as mental age divided by chronological age into 100. An IQ range 90 to 110 is considered the average. Historical contribution of its understanding include the work of Alfred Binet and Simon. Development of the first intelligence test in 1905, and Wassler further developed and refined it in 1939. Cognitive intelligence is linked to information processing within the brain. It involves inductive reasoning, means moving from specific observation to general principle. Means when we the specified to the general, we go move toward from specific observation to general principle. And deductive reasoning means moving from general principle to specific conclusion. IQ is generally associated with academic aptitude, the encompassing abilities such as knowledge acquisition, learning capacity, problem solving, particular in the science and mathematics, comprehension, decision making, and reaction time. IQ addressed cognitive function. What I think, the debate regarding the relative influence of nature, the genetics and nurture of the environment. No, nature is environment and nurture is the genetics. And how the grown up, how the baby grown up on intelligence is a significant area of concentration. Then the one intelligence, social intelligence, attribute to Edward Thorndike. This construct refer to the ability to understand and manage interpersonal interaction effectively. The source mentioned the importance of